The B-2 Spirit is one of the most advanced and mysterious airplanes ever built. It is a heavy, strategic bomber operated by the United States Air Force. Its main purpose is to fly deep into enemy territory without being detected and deliver powerful weapons with great accuracy. The B-2 gets its famous name, the stealth bomber, because it is incredibly difficult for enemy defenses to find. Its unique shape and special materials allow it to absorb and deflect radar signals, making it nearly invisible on enemy screens. This ability to operate unseen is what makes the B-2 a truly revolutionary aircraft in the history of military aviation. The secret to the B-2's stealth is its radical design. The airplane is a flying wing, which means it has no traditional tail or fuselage. This smooth, blended shape eliminates the sharp edges and vertical surfaces that normally reflect radar waves back to their source. The bomber's skin is made from special radar-absorbent materials that soak up incoming signals like a sponge. Even the engines are buried deep inside the wing to hide their heat from infrared sensors. This combination of shape, materials, and clever engineering allows the B-2 to slip past even the most sophisticated air defense networks in the world. Flying the B-2 is a task reserved for the most skilled pilots in the Air Force. Each bomber is operated by a two-person crew, a pilot in the left seat and a mission commander in the right. These highly trained professionals must manage the complex systems of the aircraft while navigating thousands of miles through hostile airspace. The cockpit is a modern glass cockpit, filled with digital displays instead of old analog gauges. These screens show everything from flight data to detailed ground maps created by the plane's own powerful radar, allowing the crew to find targets even in bad weather or complete darkness. The B-2 is designed for high-altitude flight, soaring up to 50,000 feet above the Earth. At this height, it flies above most weather and many types of anti-aircraft weapons. Its impressive range allows it to travel over 6,000 nautical miles on a single tank of fuel. However, its true global reach comes from its ability to be refueled in mid-air. This capability allows the B-2 to stay airborne for missions lasting well over 30 or even 40 hours, enabling it to strike any target on the planet and return to its home base without needing to land in a foreign country. The B-2 Spirit fleet is extremely small and precious. The United States Air Force originally planned for a much larger number, but due to the bomber's immense cost, only 21 were ever built. Today, fewer than 20 of these incredible machines remain in service. This small fleet represents the pinnacle of American air power. The entire B-2 force is based at a single location, Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri. From this central point in the United States, the bombers can be deployed anywhere in the world, a constant symbol of America's global military reach and its commitment to national security. The primary mission of the B-2 is to act as the tip of the spear in a major conflict. It is designed to be the very first aircraft to enter heavily defended enemy airspace. Its job is to knock down the door by destroying critical targets like enemy command centers, air defense radar sites, and missile launchers. By eliminating these key threats, the B-2 paves the way for other less stealthy aircraft like fighters and conventional bombers to follow behind and operate more safely. This role makes the B-2 an essential tool for gaining air superiority at the beginning of any modern war. The B-2 can carry a massive amount of firepower in its two large bomb bays. It has a payload capacity of 40,000 pounds, allowing it to deliver a wide variety of both conventional and nuclear weapons. For conventional missions, it can be armed with thousands of pounds of precision-guided bombs, such as the GPS-guided JDAMs. It also carries powerful bunker-buster bombs, like the 5,000-pound GBU-28, and even the gigantic 30,000-pound massive ordnance penetrator, designed to destroy targets buried deep underground. This versatility makes it effective against almost any type of target. Beyond its conventional role, the B-2 is a critical part of America's nuclear deterrent. It is one of the three pillars of the nuclear triad, alongside land-based missiles and submarine-launched missiles. The bomber is certified to carry several types of nuclear weapons, including the powerful B-83 gravity bomb and the B-61 series of tactical nuclear bombs. Its ability to penetrate enemy defenses ensures that it can hold any potential adversary's most valuable assets at risk. This credible threat helps to deter major wars and maintain global stability, making the B-2 a cornerstone of U.S. defense strategy. Flying a B-2 mission is an incredible test of human endurance. With missions that can last nearly 2 full days, the two-person crew must remain alert and effective for the entire duration. To make these grueling flights possible, The small cockpit area behind the pilot seats is equipped with special amenities. While far from luxurious, these features are essential survival tools. There is enough space for one crew member to lie down and get some rest on a small fold-out bunk. This allows the pilots to take turns sleeping, ensuring that one person is always awake and in control of the aircraft. Staying nourished and hydrated during such long flights is also a critical challenge. The B-2 is equipped with what crews call a long-duration kit. This includes media group, small toilet facility in aircraft cockpit, view of portable toilet in military aircraft, cockpit amenities for long missions at stock, at distribute_equally, a small toilet, a mini fridge to keep drinks and food cold, and a special microwave to heat meals. Crews can bring prepared food, allowing them to have a hot meal even when flying over hostile territory thousands of miles from home. These simple comforts, often nicknamed the flying hotel features, are vital for maintaining the physical and mental stamina needed to execute a complex, high-stakes mission successfully. The recent Operation Midnight Freedom in June 2025 serves as a perfect example of the B-2's endurance capabilities. This mission involved a round trip of over 30 hours from Whiteman Air Force Base to strike heavily fortified targets in Iran. The two pilot crews flew across multiple time zones, refueled in mid-air several times, successfully evaded Iranian radar defenses, and returned safely to Missouri. Such an operation would be impossible without the carefully designed crew accommodations that allow pilots to manage fatigue and stay focused on their critical tasks throughout the incredibly long flight. Ultimately, life inside the B-2 during these ultra-long missions is a careful balance of technology and human resilience. The advanced autopilot and navigation systems handle much of the routine flying, but the crew must constantly monitor the aircraft, communicate with command centers, and be ready to react to any threat. The ability to eat, sleep, and take care of basic needs within the confines of the cockpit is what transforms an impossibly long flight into a manageable, albeit demanding, military operation. It is this human factor, supported by thoughtful design, that enables the B-2 to project power across the globe. Even though the B-2 Spirit was designed decades ago, it remains at the forefront of military technology thanks to a continuous series of upgrades. The U.S. Air Force is constantly modernizing the bomber to ensure it can defeat the newest and most advanced air defense systems. A key ongoing upgrade is the Defensive Management System. This new system acts like an electronic shield, giving the crew better situational awareness. It is designed to detect and identify modern networked enemy radars, allowing the pilots to navigate around them more effectively and ensuring the B-2's stealth advantage for years to come. Communication is another critical area of improvement. The B-2 is being fitted with new high-frequency satellite communication systems. This upgrade provides a much faster and more reliable connection to command and control centers on the ground. The higher bandwidth allows the aircraft to receive complex new mission data or transmit vital intelligence back to commanders in near real time. This enhanced connectivity is crucial for both conventional missions and for its role in nuclear deterrence, where secure and constant communication with national leadership is absolutely essential for safety and control. The B-2's brain is also getting a massive boost in processing power. The aircraft is receiving a new flight management control processor, which is about 1,000 times faster than the old system. This upgrade involves installing new integrated processing units and high-speed fiber optic cables throughout the airframe. A faster computer allows the B-2 to run more sophisticated software, process sensor data more quickly, and integrate new weapons and technologies as they are developed. This ensures the bomber's core systems can keep up with the demands of the modern battlefield. The B-2 Spirit remains incredibly important to the U.S. Air Force and global security. Its unique ability to penetrate any defense and hold any target at risk is a capability that cannot be replaced by missiles or other aircraft. As China and other nations develop their own advanced military technologies, the B-2's role as a strategic deterrent becomes even more vital. The Air Force plans to operate the B-2 alongside the new B-21 Raider well into the 2050s, a testament to its enduring design and its continued significance as the ultimate stealth bomber.